Yes, today I'll be doing a book review, so I hope it turns out to be a good review. The book which I'm going to review is Kafka on the Shore by Murakami. So I don't know from where to start because this book is totally out of this world. When I first started reading this book, personally, I felt like I should stop reading and read another book because in first few chapters it is boring. But after I read around 10 chapters, I couldn't resist myself and I kept on reading this book. So, the first thing I want to tell you is this book has two stories going on, chapter by chapter. In the first story, there is a 15-year-old boy, and in the second story, there is an old man. So, in the first story, the 15-year-old boy he ran away from his home in search of few unanswered questions to explore himself, to explore this world, and most importantly, to find his mother and his sister. And in the second chapter, the old man, he's like an he can't read, he can't write, he can't understand anything what's happening around him and what's happening around happening in this world. But he has one speciality, like he can talk to cats. So that's the basically the thing from which he earns his living, and he stays there. So basically what I felt after reading this book is there are few unanswered questions in each and everyone's life. So but we tend to ignore that and we keep on moving in our lives. So basically we should sit and think about those questions and try to find those answers, but trust me, it will be very tough. So we should often try and do this and find those answers. So but the main thing, the entrance stone, which is the main part of this book, it's a turning point where the both the stories, they both come together, and both the all the characters in the book are related to each other. So the best part of this book was when you're exploring yourself, time is not a factor, because in the end, the whole life is a metaphor. So this book is basically the best book. Trust me, it's all about how people live, how people tend to struggle in their lives, how people have few unanswered questions and they are basically not getting an answer, so they are struggling and worrying, and they are full of worries. So yeah, this was a completely a best book, so I would like to suggest this book to each one of you. It's a must read. It's the best book according to me. Thank you.